Does rubbing compound really work? Stick around and I'll find out. The last couple of times I've waxed my car, I have noticed little thin light scratches that are on the car, maybe from pulling up too close to a bush, or maybe somebody I let use the car did something I don't know about, but they're just fine scratches, and mostly down near the behind the front wheel is where I noticed them, this side and I think the other side. When I wash it, it comes, you can really see it, and when I go sort of in a rain, it ends up with this streaking mark. So I'm going to see if I can do something about those with this rubbing compound. Let's give it a try. In this light and with this amount of dirt, you can see exactly what I'm talking about, the fine lines of a scratch. See if we can get those out of there. This is what it looks like dirty. We'll see what it looks like washed too. And on the other side, thin ones as well. Here's what the scratches look like with sunlight on them, and after being cleaned, you still get that white mark. Not looking good, so I'm going to get the compound, rubbing compound, see what I can do. Okay, the directions say not to apply it in direct sunlight, and if I'm doing it by hand, to use a clean terry cloth. This is going to have to be close enough. It was a nice, used to be a nice polo shirt, and to work about a quarter-sized bit of this into the area until it dries. So I don't know, this might have gotten too old to even use, because it also said shake well, and there isn't much going on to shake, so we'll give it a shot. Well, here after rubbing the bottom part, you can see it's gotten a little better. And the top part is still not, I didn't touch, so I'm trying to do a part that's done and a part that's not done. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Trying to show whether this stuff works good or not. And it works all right. It does something. You can tell by how it changes the paint. Here's the other side. You can see a very fine line right there. I'm going to apply the rub to the portion that has the hardest line, and not to the portion that has the finer lines. See how it comes out. The first rub, I would say, did not take off that stronger scratch. Did shine up everything around it very nicely, but let's see how it does on the rest of the lines right above it. I'm going to try that now. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but it does look better. But that one big line is still there. So I'll give it another try, but I don't think it's going to get it all off. Well, there's a second try. All I can say is it's better. Can't say it's great. I'd have to say this side is a success. It's pretty much gone. Not perfect, but better than leaving it there. I don't know if I'll have to use it again, but I hope not, because I accidentally sat on the bottle. So, on the question of whether or not rubbing compound gets rid of scratches, the answer is no, but it looks better than before. It's not a magic compound, but at least I don't have the noticeable scratches that I had in the past. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll do some more stuff. Thanks very much. Till next time.